Heart disease is the #1 killer in women. Those with the Lewis and Peaches Owen Heart Hospital of Trinity Mother Francis are bringing awareness to the issue through an annual program called Women with Heart.
8 East Texas women were chosen by the community to be this year's Women with Heart. They all have one thing in common. They are survivors of heart disease. CBS 19's Melissa Daigle is getting to know these ladies. Tell us a little bit about them.
Oh my gosh, well, they all just have these amazing stories of struggle and survival through their health challenges. And the first woman you'll meet who I just adore and love getting to know is Lena Callender. And at 82 years old, she is committed to living a heart-healthy lifestyle through the help of the care she receives at Mother Francis hospitals.
I have had a hard life, but the heart issue it was a shock when I got here and it was so bad.
Lena Callender says she found out her heart was in such bad shape when she went on vacation to Hawaii after her husband passed away.
At 12 o'clock midnight woke me up, and then I had the second one at 1 a.m. And that one I just knew I was going to die. I've never had such pain in my entire life.
When you say the second one, do you mean a heart attack?
Yes.
After 2 severe heart attacks, Callender says she knew she couldn't go back to living in Colorado anymore. The air was too thin for her to breathe.
And the doctor over there says, Lena, you're going to live just a few months if you don't leave Colorado.
She decided she wanted to live a little longer.
I got my map out. I thought, where am I going? I wanted to go to a state that didn't have state income tax. So I knew exactly what states were.
Callender eventually chose Texas, Tyler, Texas.
I love it.
She says she's received the best care of her life at Mother Francis.
They've got wonderful heart doctors here.
The team at Mother Francis speaks highly of her as well.
Lena is a super neat lady. We are really lucky to have had the honor to care for her and to get to know her.
Deb Taylor is Chief Nursing Officer at the Lewis and Peaches Owen Heart Hospital. She says Callender is an inspiration for all women.
What's so impressive with Lena is that she has had a hard time with heart disease, but she is most willing to share her story with people so that they know that they may have risk as well.
Making Callender one of this year's Women with Heart honorees.
We wanted to promote the knowledge of women's heart disease through survivors, women who we are side by side with in the grocery store, in the community every day.
Women like 82-year-old Lena Callender, who was living heart healthy now. Callender says she met her husband in Galveston, so living in Texas again is like coming full circle in her life, and she says she's here to stay. This is it for her.
We're glad to have her. Well,
Yeah.
What brought on Lena's heart disease? Because a lot of people associated heart disease with unhealthy living.
Yeah, and that's the scary part, is she says throughout her life she's always exercised, eaten healthy, but heart disease runs in her family, so she has that family history. She said her mother and her grandmother both died at an early age from heart disease. So yeah, it can be one of those things, very scary, but genetics play a big role.
All right, thanks, Melissa. She's an inspiration for sure.
Yeah.
Fortunately, most of the risk factors in heart disease are controllable, which is good news. Deb Taylor with Mother Francis says, most importantly, we need to know our numbers. That means managing a healthy blood pressure, weight, and cholesterol level.
You should also make time for regular exercise, a healthy diet, and a way to manage stress.